Hey there, welcome back. Today we're diving into a face-off between two big names in the investment research game, TipRanks and Morningstar. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by all the stock advice out there, trust me, I've been there. You're not alone. Sorting through endless info to find out which platform can actually help you make smarter investment choices can feel like a full-time job. But don't worry, I've got you. We're going to break down what each platform brings to the table, how they stack up, and which one could be your go-to investment sidekick. So, let's jump in. So, what's the deal with TipRanks and Morningstar? Let me give you the quick rundown of some background information. TipRanks, launched in 2012, is like your secret weapon for gauging market sentiment. It pulls together insights from Wall Street analysts, financial bloggers, and even corporate insiders, all in one place. It's designed to help you make sense of stock trends and recommendations in a super digestible way. And, in my opinion, it hits the mark. On the other hand, Morningstar has been around since 1984 and is a trusted name for deep dive investment research. They're famous for their star rating system, comprehensive reports, and their long-term focus. Whether you're into stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds, Morningstar's got tools that help you dig into the details of your current investments and help you find new ones. Let's talk about what people are saying about these platforms. TipRanks has earned a solid 4.6 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot, with users praising its ability to quickly size up Wall Street's opinions. I noticed many users highlighting how easy it is to find hidden gem stocks and ETFs, something that I think we all need. Over at Morningstar, their investor app holds a 4.0 rating from nearly 7,000 users on the Apple App Store. Although I didn't read all 7,000 reviews, I dug through many of them and some common themes emerged. Many reviewers love how it keeps all their investments in one place, and how its cautious, thorough approach to data helps them make informed, long-term decisions. Whether you're a data junkie or just want a clear roadmap for your portfolio, both platforms have raving fans. So let's see which one suits your style. All right, now it's time to dive deep into what makes each platform shine. We'll look at the standout features of both TipRanks and Morningstar, so you can decide which one aligns better with your investing style. Let's start with TipRanks. One of the most powerful features of TipRanks is the Expert Insights tool. It's like having a backstage pass to Wall Street, giving you access to the minds of top financial analysts, fund managers, and corporate insiders. But TipRanks takes it a step further by allowing you to track their trades and investment decisions in real time. Here's why this is huge. Rather than trying to filter through endless articles and reports, you can follow analysts with proven track records and see exactly why they're making certain picks. It's almost like shadowing a financial guru and learning the ropes as you go. This is particularly great for investors who want a more hands-on approach to learning the market but still want that guiding hand from the pros. I really like that you can easily see their success rate based on past recommendations. We all know that all financial advice isn't created equal, so with TipRanks, you can quickly and easily see the track record of who is giving the advice. Next up, we have the Smart Portfolio feature. Managing a portfolio can feel like juggling, especially if you have multiple stocks, ETFs, and maybe even some bonds thrown into the mix. Most of us aim for a balanced portfolio, but if you are holding hundreds of stocks, it is difficult to determine if you are overexposed to certain sectors. Smart Portfolio simplifies everything by giving you real-time analysis of your investments. What's awesome about this tool is that it helps you track your performance, showing you exactly where you're crushing it and where you might need to adjust. You can compare your portfolio's performance against major indices like the S&P 500 and get recommendations on how to better align your investments with your financial goals. You can even make your portfolio public or check out others to see how they're performing. TipRanks doesn't just stop at analyst recommendations. The News Sentiment tool is one of the coolest features for anyone trying to stay ahead of market trends. It works by analyzing financial news from all over the web and assigning each piece a sentiment score, so you know if the news is leaning bullish or bearish on a particular stock or sector. To me, this feature is especially useful for fast-moving markets where news can drastically impact stock prices. Rather than spending hours reading articles, TipRanks News Sentiment gives you a quick read on how the market feels, which can make all the difference when deciding whether to buy, hold, or sell. It's like having a finger on the pulse of the stock market, without the headache of information overload or the biases that a normal news algorithm might put in front of you. Now let's jump into Morningstar, starting with their most famous feature, the star rating system. This system is widely recognized in the investment world and is often the go-to for investors wanting a quick, risk-adjusted assessment of a fund or stock. If you have followed stock news for a while, I would imagine you have heard the Morningstar rating referenced by analysts. Morningstar rates assets from 1 to 5 stars based on their historical performance relative to their peers, adjusted for risk. It's a simple yet powerful way to assess the quality of an investment at a glance. If you're a value investor, this feature is gold because it helps you easily spot underpriced assets with great long-term potential. Essentially, it's like having a report card for your investments, which is super handy for making quick, informed decisions. Next, let's talk about Morningstar's Portfolio X-ray tool. This feature goes beyond just listing your assets. It lets you take a magnifying glass to your portfolio's true composition. Are you too concentrated in one sector? Are your funds overlapping in terms of what they're invested in? Portfolio X-ray breaks down your holdings by asset class, sector, geography, and even individual stocks within your mutual funds or ETFs. This kind of deep dive is crucial for investors who want to make sure their portfolios are truly diversified, minimizing risk and maximizing returns. Portfolio X-ray reveals things you might not have noticed on the surface, allowing you to adjust your strategy accordingly. I truly believe a tool to assess your portfolio is a must-have for any investor. Personally, I prefer TipRanks' Smart Portfolio feature to Morningstar's Portfolio X-ray. I say this because the layout and design is better. Morningstar's Portfolio X-ray gets the job done. Morningstar is known for its independence, and their independent analyst reports are some of the most thorough in the business. Morningstar's team of analysts covers thousands of securities, providing deep insights into stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, and bonds. They focus on long-term value, helping you see not just where an asset is today, but where it might go in the future. These reports are especially valuable if you're a fundamental investor. This independent analysis should give you peace of mind when trying to decide if the stock is for you. If you're someone who loves to take a DIY approach to investing, Morningstar's investment screeners are a must-have. These tools let you filter through thousands of stocks, funds, and ETFs based on criteria like expense ratio, market price, and sector. Whether you're looking for high-dividend stocks or low-cost ETFs, you can quickly narrow down the field to find the investments that fit your strategy. This is a huge time saver for anyone who doesn't want to scroll through endless lists of investments. It's also a great way to discover new opportunities that might not be on your radar yet. Plus, with Morningstar's in-depth data backing up each screener, you can feel confident that the assets you're choosing have been thoroughly vetted. For the record, TipRanks also has a pretty good screening tool. Finally, Morningstar offers great educational resources. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned investor looking to sharpen your skills, Morningstar provides webinars, guides, and tutorials that cover everything from building wealth with stocks and ETFs to understanding market trends. What I think sets Morningstar apart here is their ability to break down complex concepts into bite-sized, actionable insights. I don't believe their educational materials are just for beginners. Even experienced investors can benefit from revisiting core investment principles or learning new strategies to improve their portfolios. If you're serious about mastering the art of investing, Morningstar's educational content can help you get there. Now, let's talk about the pricing for both platforms. Now, let's talk pricing for TipRanks. They've got 3 different plans, so you can choose the one that fits your needs. First up is the basic membership. This one's free, but don't get too excited. It's pretty limited in what you can actually do. It's good for getting a feel of the platform, but you won't be able to dive deep into the tools. Next is the premium plan, which costs $30 a month when billed annually. With this plan, you unlock some of the more useful features, like full access to analyst ratings, price targets, and more detailed stock analysis. This is where things start to get really interesting for anyone serious about investing, and depending on how active of an investor you are and how large your portfolio is, the premium plan could be right for you. And finally, there's the ultimate plan. This is the top-tier option at $50 a month, again billed annually. With Ultimate, you get the full experience: insider trading data, unlimited portfolio tracking, real-time alerts, the whole 9 yards. If you want access to everything TipRanks has to offer, this is the plan for you. If this pricing seems too high for you, you are in luck. By using my exclusive link that can be found in the description, you can save 50% off your membership fees for a limited time. Check the description to find that link. Morningstar Investor, on the other hand, has a more straightforward pricing model. It comes in at $249 per year, or $34.95 if you prefer to go month to month. But with the discount code MM50, you can snag the annual plan for $199 for the first year. And if you're a student, the annual plan drops to just $25, making it an unbeatable deal for anyone with a valid .edu email. Morningstar also offers a 7-day free trial, letting you explore the platform risk-free before committing. So, which platform is the right one for you? If you're looking for quick, actionable insights, TipRanks is your go-to. It's designed to help you make data-driven decisions fast, with tools like expert insights, news sentiment, and transparent analyst ratings, making it perfect for those who want to stay agile in the market without getting bogged down in endless research. Personally, I prefer TipRanks to Morningstar. I say this mostly because the feel and user experience on TipRanks is much more modern and intuitive. That being said, you can't go wrong with the tried and tested Morningstar. Morningstar is ideal for investors who love digging deep into data and building a well-diversified, long-term portfolio. Tools like the Portfolio X-ray and the trusted star rating system are invaluable for anyone who wants to really understand the details behind their investments. If you're ready to level up your investing game, check out the links in the description to start your free trial with Morningstar or save on TipRanks. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more investing tips. Until next time, happy investing.